have a graphic here, and if you could please explain what we're looking at and exactly what is happening.
Sure. From outside to inside, basically, we have the scalp, as you know, which right underneath has either a fibrous layer or muscular layer. And going further in, there's going to be bone, which is the skull. And then following bone, there will be 3 membranes. Those membranes wrap the brain, and those are the meninges.
And that's what we're seeing there?
That's what we're seeing there. It's several layers before we actually get to the brain. So we see the brain team, and they're colored in green, is the cerebellum that has to do also with coordination and speech. And finally, the brain continues itself with the spinal cord.
Interesting. Now, I've heard that the brain is the size of 2 clenched fists. Is this true?
That is true.
It's true. So you put it together, that's the size of my brain? Kind of?
A little larger.
A little larger?
But
I hope I have a lot of information in there.
Because there's a space in between, actually.
Okay.
That's part of the reason.
Okay, so when does the brain stop growing, or does your brain never stop growing?
The brain starts, most of brain growth occurs in the first 2 years of life or so.
Okay.
And roughly around 18 years of age. By 60, it's already shrinking.
Right.
Yes.
Now, this is a question that I have. Is there a period when that brain growth is happening that the brain is more susceptible to injury than other times?
In the early years.
In the early years.
Yes.